Here's the box. Again, it's American Modified Off-Road. I've had this box for a while, but I just haven't had time to install it. So today, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I'll take this out of the box here so you guys can check it out. Here's the grill itself. You guys let me know what you think. You can get this exact grill from their website or their Amazon. I'll make sure to tag and leave the link down below to both of them. There we go, check that out guys. Pretty aggressive, right? So inside the box there's also an installation guide, which I'm going to go over right now. But it basically tells you how to take out the original grill, how to install the new one, and how to plug the lights. Because this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lights. Alright, so here we have to remove these plastic clips right here. There should be 12 of those. I'm going to use these special pliers here. It makes it super easy for these plastic clips to pop out. So I'm going to show you with this one here. After you've taken all your clips out, this comes right on. Just like that. Now there's going to be 4 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take those out. All 4 are out. Alright, now all you gotta do is grab your grill at the top, grab your grill in the middle, and then just toss away. Alright guys, it is not coming apart. Alright, here we go. Let's pull this. Not coming guys. Alright, so I was finally able to pull this out. So what I did was I pulled from the bottom first, on both sides. And then I grabbed here, and I pulled just from the bottom one more time, and it just came off. I do have some lights hooked up on here, so I'm going to take the lights off to take these wires and leave them on that side, and then put them back on the new. Alright, so we got this new grill mounted up here. I did take off the lights from the old grill and put them on this new one. Now, these ones here, I did hook them up to my existing lights. I did not hook them up to the headlights. The instructions say hook them up to the headlights. You guys can do that if you want. But like I said, I already had these lights, so I'm running the power out of these ones. So now, they just clip on this grill onto this here. It's pretty easy. So just follow the clips, line them up, and just push them in. So there's the new grill. That's what that looks like. Now there is these plastic tabs on this top plastic that you guys need to cut off. So I'm just gonna cut them off, make them straight, because there is no slot for them to fall in on the new grill. Yeah, see that? So that's an issue there. But just cut them off, and then it should sit flush. Alright, so we trimmed down those plastic tabs that I showed you guys. Now it's gonna sit flush, but first we have to put back the 10mm bolts. We got the 4 bolts on. Now it's time to put this plastic cover back on. one more. All right, guys, so we got the new grill installed. We got the lights all hooked up. I got these lights hooked up to these lights here, which those lights are hooked up to my fog lights. So whenever I turn on my fog lights, all those other lights will turn on. There we go. So they are decently bright. There we go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. We'll see you guys on the next one.